Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be covering spectral estimation of speech using DFT. Guys, I have uploaded complete speech and video processing subject tutorials. I'll provide that link in description. You can watch from there. If you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Guys, DFT stands for Discrete Fourier Transform. By using DFT, we can convert our speech into frequency. Guys, whatever we speak, computer cannot understand. So we need to represent our speech in the form of frequency, and based on this frequency, computer will understand our speech. Guys, spectral estimation means finding frequencies that are present in my speech. So by using DFT, we can convert our speech into frequency. For example, let's say I will speak, I am Nagendra. Whenever I speak I am Nagendra, DFT will tell what are the frequencies that are present in my speech. And also DFT will tell whether the frequencies are strong or weak frequencies. I will explain step-by-step process how frequencies are calculated from our speech. For example, let's say I will speak I am Nagendra. Whenever I speak I am Nagendra, it is continuous. At first, my continuous speech is divided into various parts. We call each part a segment. So first step is windowing or segmentation. That is nothing but breaking our entire speech into various parts. So in spectral estimation, this speech signal is divided into short segments, and for each segment, frequency is calculated. For example, let's say I am Nagendra. So these are divided into 5 parts. I am Nagendra. For each part, we need to apply discrete Fourier transform in order to identify frequency. X of k, that is nothing but output, that is nothing but frequency, and sigma x of n is speech. So for each part of our speech, we need to apply complex exponential, that is nothing but e to the power of minus j 2 pi by n kn. This is formula for complex exponential. So for each part of our speech, we need to apply complex exponential in order to identify frequency. Frequency is nothing but output, that is x of k. And there is magnitude spectrum, which will show how much energy is present in each frequency. After converting our speech into frequency, magnitude spectrum will show whether that frequency is strong frequency or weak frequency by taking absolute value of x of k. That is nothing but by taking particular output, it will show whether that frequency is strong frequency or weak frequency. Whenever you speak I am Nagendra, some frequencies are strong frequencies and some frequencies are weak frequencies that can be identified by using magnitude spectrum. And there is also power spectrum, which will show how much energy is present in each frequency. If sound is loud, then there is high power, and if sound is soft, there is low power. Generally, power spectrum is calculated by using magnitude square. Yes, power spectrum is the square of magnitude. So power is equal to x of k, which is magnitude spectrum mod square. And there is window function, which will make frequency edges smooth. These edges are made smooth by using window function. As edges are smooth, computer will identify speech from that frequency clearly without any errors. So window function will cut small part of a signal smoothly. Instead of taking signal directly, will smooth edges, so errors will be reduced. This process is done before applying discrete Fourier transform. At first step itself, window function is applied. This is real life example how computer will understand our speech by using discrete Fourier transform. Whenever we tell hello, at first our speech is broken into various parts. We call each part a segment, and this process is known as segmentation or windowing. So after doing segmentation and windowing, frequency for each part is calculated. And we can also check power, that is nothing but that frequency contain high power or low power. If sound is louder, there is high power. If sound is low, then there is low power. And based on that frequencies, computer will understand sound.